Are you totally tired of seeing blurry leaks and reading fake rumors about the next big creator camera? Well, the wait for real information is finally over today. The latest leaks around the highly anticipated DJI Pocket 4 Pro just took a massive step forward, and we are no longer looking at vague descriptions or poorly photoshopped renders online. Instead, we have some of the absolute clearest real-world images yet. These pictures were captured during a recent exclusive creator event held in mainland China. This was not the official launch party for the public. It was a private, closed-door warm-up session. Selected influencers and top content creators got early hands-on time with the new device. The goal for the company was very simple. They wanted to let these creators test the camera, shoot real footage with it, and prepare high-quality content before the global reveal. Based on what is coming out of that private event, the Pocket 4 Pro is shaping up to be a very serious upgrade for anyone making videos on the go. Let us talk about the specifications right now, because they are incredibly impressive. The DJI Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to feature a massive 1-inch main sensor. This means much better light gathering and depth of field. But that is not all it has to offer. It will also come paired with a 3x optical telephoto lens. This dual camera setup is a total game changer for pocket-sized cameras. For video quality, it is expected to shoot up to 4K resolution at an insane 240 frames per second. That will give you ultra-smooth, slow motion for cinematic edits. There are even loud whispers that it might support 6K video recording. Creators will really love the rumored 14-stop dynamic range and 10-bit log color profile. This simply means your videos will have rich, beautiful colors that are very easy to color grade in editing software. We are also expecting professional Hasselblad-style color tuning built right into the system. Other great features include 128 gigabytes of internal storage, a highly reliable 3-axis mechanical gimbal for perfect stabilization, and a very handy flip-out screen. The pricing is expected to land somewhere between $699 and $749. This puts the device firmly in the premium compact camera category. But when you look at all the pro-level features packed into this tiny body, that price tag actually makes a lot of sense for serious users who want true quality. Now, let's clear up the heavy confusion about the launch timeline. There have been many conflicting reports recently on the internet. Some earlier rumors firmly pointed to a May 7th announcement. However, that turned out to be totally incorrect for this specific device. That May 7th date was actually tied to the Osmo Mobile 8 smartphone gimbal event instead. So, if you have been eagerly waiting for the Pocket 4 Pro to drop on that day, it is simply not happening. The most reliable information right now suggests a proper launch window in late May or early June 2026. The company is expected to release the camera in China first. A wider global rollout will follow shortly after that. This staggered release approach is not really surprising to see. It gives the standard Pocket 4 some breathing room to sell in the market before the more advanced Pro version takes over the spotlight. However, there is a catch when it comes to availability in the United States. Things are looking a bit uncertain and tricky right now. The Pocket 4 Pro has reportedly cleared FCC approval already. This happened before recent regulatory complications hit the news. But that clearance does not fully guarantee a smooth release in the US market. There are still ongoing political and regulatory challenges affecting many DJI products today. This even includes non-drone devices like these handheld cameras. Because of this uncertainty, a lot of US buyers are feeling nervous about getting their hands on one. But do not worry too much, because there are powerful alternatives expected to hit the US market very soon. One of the biggest rivals stepping up is the Extra Muse 2 Pro. This is shaping up to be one of the most interesting compact cameras of 2026. It is designed especially for creators who want a powerful alternative in the pocket gimbal space. After a teaser announcement on April 24th, this new device generated a massive amount of hype. It has a very familiar design and a highly promising feature set. At first glance, the Muse 2 Pro looks extremely similar to the upcoming Pocket-style cameras. But its biggest selling point is full availability and full customer support inside the United States. This alone makes it a highly attractive option for users who want to avoid any brand uncertainty or shipping delays. The specs on the Muse 2 Pro are very strong. It reportedly features a dual-module camera system too. This combines a 1-inch CMOS main sensor with a dedicated 3x optical zoom lens. This setup promises excellent overall image quality and much better low-light performance. It also gives you true lossless zoom for great creative flexibility. Video capabilities are just as impressive on paper. It supports 4K video at high frame rates, including 240 frames per second slow motion. The Muse 2 Pro also includes a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to keep your footage perfectly smooth while walking. You get a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen for easy vertical video shooting, built-in microphones, advanced autofocus, and intelligent subject tracking. With 10-bit color, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 128 gigabytes of storage, it is an absolute beast. It should launch in the US around mid-2026 for about $499 to $649, making it a highly compelling choice. So, this brings us to the ultimate question for buyers. Should you wait for the DJI Pocket 4 Pro, or should you just buy the standard Pocket 4 right now? This decision can feel a bit confusing for many people. The standard Pocket 4 is already available in stores. It is well optimized and highly reviewed by users. The Pocket 4 Pro is still just based on leaks and early information. Your choice really depends on your timing and your specific needs. The standard Pocket 4 is an amazing, reliable option to buy today. It has a large 1-inch sensor, great slow motion, and flawless stabilization. For daily vloggers, frequent travelers, and casual filmmakers, it delivers everything you need with zero effort. It is highly compact, easy to use, and ready to ship right now. On the other hand, the Pocket 4 Pro is getting attention because it offers a massive leap forward in tech. The dual camera setup and real optical zoom are features creators have begged for. This would make the Pro version incredibly flexible for dynamic storytelling and cinematic shots. But waiting means dealing with unknown delays and a much higher price tag. There is still no official release date confirmed. Looking at the facts and data, as an AI, my best opinion on this product is that the DJI Pocket 4 Pro represents a true generational leap for handheld video creation. The addition of a true 3x optical zoom in a pocket-sized form factor opens up entirely new creative angles that standard wide lenses simply cannot capture without losing quality. However, if you are a creator based in the US who wants to avoid regulatory stress, the Extra Muse 2 Pro stands out as an incredibly smart alternative that delivers nearly identical flagship performance. If you want a dependable camera today, grab the standard Pocket 4. But if you demand cutting-edge technology and want the absolute highest ceiling for your video quality, saving your budget for the Pocket 4 Pro or the Muse 2 Pro is the absolute right call. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech updates.